This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the day they release us is false. They're going to give us a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, I tell you guys every day that the volume that they report to us is irrelevant, that it's not complete, and those numbers don't make sense. And a lot of people, they don't understand, but they want a better explanation as to why I say that the volume that's reported is not the real volume, okay? And first of all, let's look at the dark pools, because that's where a lot of the shenanigans, in my opinion, is done. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I'm just telling you the dark pools are very dangerous, and they are not good for retail investors or anybody who wants to participate in the market without breaking the rules, okay? Dark pool trades, even though they're technically supposed to be released right away, they can hold them for up to 24 hours. So when we see that volume, a lot of times it does not include the dark pool trades that are done here domestically. And then when you have dark pool trades that originate internationally, those trades don't have to be reported for 48 hours. So you have 24, 48 hours where the volume we're looking at isn't correct, just based off that alone. Okay? Just based off the dark pool 24-hour and 48-hour rule, the volume doesn't make sense. There's no way for that volume to be accurate because we can't see what's going on in the dark pools. And on top of that, let's say they did it, a domestic dark pool trade, and let's say 24 hours went by and they didn't report it. What are the consequences if they don't report it within 24 hours? What are the consequences if they didn't report an international one in 48 hours? There really isn't any, because there's no real punishment when they violate the law. So why would they let us know the real volume that was going on that day? And then the other thing you have to realize, there is the primary market, there's a secondary market, there's the third, and there's the fourth, okay? The primary market is where shares are created, IPOs, things like that, okay? The secondary market is where most of us trade on. That's the stock market, okay? That's a secondary market, and that's the volume we see. The third market is between those big dogs and the broker-dealers. We don't see those trades. We don't know what they're doing. We don't know what they're doing. We don't know when they're going to report it. They could verbally agree to a trade, verbally agree to a price, and then hold it. And then hold it in order to manipulate the market. There's no way for us to know. And then you have the fourth market where institutions are buying back and forth. We don't see that volume. This is institution on institution. And once again, they can negotiate a price and don't transfer the funds or don't transfer the shares, even though the deal was done. And then once again, you have to understand that what are the consequences of not reporting it? Obviously nothing, because as I said in my previous video, you see they drop those 13 Fs whenever they want, because there's no real punishment for not reporting what they're long on, not really reporting what they're short on. They can do what they want without any real consequences. So when you guys hear me say that I don't trust the volume, it's because there's a lot of other trading going on that we are not privy to. You have the primary market, you got the dark pools, you got the third, and you got the fourth. And a lot of the nonsense that they're doing goes on in the dark pools, between the institutions and the broker-dealers, and the institutions between other institutions. And we won't see those trades until they're ready for us to see those trades, even if it's 5 or 10 years later. But hopefully the CAT system will train that. Well, anyway, have a great day, God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.